Michael from Kalani here. Today we'll show you how a fiberglass swimming pool is installed. Stage 1, we're going to dig the hole. Stage 2, we're going to prepare the hole for the swimming pool, so we'll put down some sand bedding and get that ready for the swimming pool. Stage 3, we're going to install the swimming pool and put sand bedding all around it to hold it in place. In stage 4, we're going to fill up the pool with water to stop it from popping out of the ground, and then we're going to fence the job to keep it safe till the permanent fence can go up. Alright, thank you. If you enjoyed watching my video, give it a like and share it with a friend.